Hello, Dania. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Dania, good evening. Good evening and welcome to 90 plus double power tuition, the world's first learning assurance model. Could you please turn on the camera? Dania?
Ma'am, it does not work.
Hmm?
It does not work.
Actually, while you have joined, no, at that time your camera was on.
Yeah, it comes when I start. It comes now. It doesn't.
It is so. Have you informed the same thing with your class teacher that your camera
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not working?
Yes, ma'am. I informed.
Okay, if possible, try to turn it on because like this is an online class in which we can communicate through the audio and video only, right? So if it is not working, it will be difficult. Okay, yeah. So before getting into the session, let me just tell you something about the double power model. So in double power model, initially you will be having a concept oriented session which is followed by a workout session. So what are all the topics that you are learning in the concept session? We will be discussing questions based on that on the workout session. So today we are in the day 2 workout session of the chapter large numbers around us. Hope you have attended the previous sessions and you are ready for today's session, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only you are there in this class or
No, ma'am. There was one more girl, Fazza.
Faza. Okay, she might be joining. Anyway, let's just start with the session. And Dania, where are you from basically?
From India, Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay, okay. Yes. So, yes, what are your hobbies and interests, Dania?
And my hobby is to go for sports.
Sports. Okay, nice. So, yes, Dania, what were the things that we have learned, you have learned in the previous sessions? We can have a quick recap of the same.
Ma'am made us do estimation and estimation.
Okay, round off estimation. Then, what else you have learned?
Yeah, only
Only
estimation.
that much only you have learned. Yeah, Amna has also joined. Good evening, Amna. Welcome to today's session. Turn on the camera, please. Yeah. Okay. So Amna, we were about to start with the session. Large numbers around us. So you might be knowing this is our workout session. So we were having a quick recap on what you people were doing in the past session. So you have learned about, she was telling like you have learned about the round off. Yeah, Faza has also joined. Faza, turn on the camera. So welcome to this session once again to everyone. Okay, Faza, other than that, have you learned something, Faza or Amna? Do you have anything else to recollect about the previous sessions? What are all the things you have learned? Nothing is there, only this much. Yeah, what were the, like, Faza, please turn on the camera first and tell me, like, is there anything else that you have learned? About, other than rounding off, anything you have learned in the previous classes in this chapter?
No.
Only that much. Okay, so Faza, could you please adjust the camera? I can't see the face properly. I'm able to see your forehead only.
I can't, ma'am, I can't do that because I'm in my tab, so like my tab cover is like that. I can only do
Oh
this much.
my god. Okay, fine, fine. So yeah, Faza, where were you from basically?
I'm from India, Kerala.
Okay, we're in Kerala.
I'm living in UAE.
Okay, that I know.
I'm
Yeah,
living in
like,
UAE.
hmm?
In Kerala, where?
Yeah, we're in Kerala.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Thiruvananthapuram, okay. Yeah, what about Amna? Amna, where were you from? Amna?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh, okay, 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 okay. So yeah, 1 minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. So we can start with the session. I'll show you the very first question. So that is the day 2 workout session of chapter large numbers around us. Here comes the very first question for you. Round off 87,45,692 to the nearest lakh. So everyone do the question and tell me what answer you are getting. I'll give you a few minutes. Then you should not tell the answer. I'll be randomly asking to some person. That person is supposed to answer for the question.
And I got the answer.
Okay, so yes, okay, we will discuss it. Let everyone do that. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Faza, please turn on the camera. Your camera went off.
I got the answer.
Okay, Amna has also
Ma'am, I'm
finished.
done.
Okay, so all the 3 has finished. So Dania, tell me what is the answer for this question. Dania?
Yes, ma'am. 87 lakh.
Very good. The answer is 87 lakh. Why? Because this 87 lakh 45,692, it is less than 50,000. So if we are rounding off to the nearest lakh, it would be probably 87 lakh only. So you got the answer. Very good. Hope everyone else has got the same. Yeah. Good. Okay, then we can move on to the next question. So here comes the next question. Estimate the sum of 47,82,930 and 5,96,128 by rounding of both the numbers to the nearest lakh. To the question, I'll wait for 2 minutes.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let everyone finish. Let's wait for 1 more minute. Okay. What about Amna and Faza? Are you done with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Amna, tell me the answer for this question. What will be the answer here?
33 lakh.
Sorry?
33 lakh.
33 lakh. No.
None of them got.
See, if we are adding now, like Faza, what you got? Faza. Yes, Faza, what you got?
Ma'am, can
I
you
can-
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. No, your mic is getting off. It went off now.
Ma'am, can you wait out rejoin?
Okay, Faza.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear
I
you.
think
Tell me.
it's now.
Tell me, Faza.
I got 54 lakh. I got 54 lakh.
54 lakh is the right answer. Okay. So Amna, you have to recheck your answer. See, 47 lakh 82,930 is there. Then 5 lakh 96,128 is there. If we are adding it up together, it would be around 53 lakh 79,128. You are supposed to round off it to nearest lakh. So the estimated sum would be 54,000 because it is greater than 53,000. Okay, 53 lakh 50,000. Got it, Amna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about you, Dania? Is that okay?
Yes,
Dania?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I think Amna corrected. We can move on to the next question now. Here comes the very next question for you. Make necessary reasonable assumptions and answer the question below. If a single sheet of paper weighs 5 grams, could you lift 1 lakh sheets of paper together at the same time? That is the question given to you. So everyone try to do it by yourself. I'll wait for 2-3 minutes. This is having one more sub question. So once if you people are done with this, we will move on to that sub question and then we will be discussing 2 answers together. Yeah, anyone of you got the answer for that? Anyone?
Is it 5 million? 5 lakh? Is it
5
5
lakh
lakh?
you are getting.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. 5 lakh you are getting.
Yeah. I got 5 lakh.
Okay, let's check whether it is correct or not. Anyone else got any other answer? Anyone else got any other answer? Please reply. Amna, Dania, anyone got the answer for that?
Ma'am, I
Dania?
got the answer.
What answer you got?
I got 500 each.
500. Okay, there is a clarity issue regarding the unit. That's why you people are not getting the proper answer. So let me explain that question to you. The question is like, weight of 1 lakh sheets will be equal to 1 sheet. The weight of 1 sheet was what? The weight of 1 sheet was 5 grams. So 5 lakh will be the weight of 1 lakh sheets. That much grams. Okay. So what we are doing is we are just converting it into the corresponding kilogram, that is 5 lakh divided by 1000. If we are doing, we will get the corresponding answer. This is equal to 500 kilogram. The question was whether a person can lift this weight or not. Actually, no person can lift 500 kilogram, right? So we can't lift it. That's the answer. Hope it is clear for everyone. Is that fine? So why you got that clarification issue means 5 lakh is obviously a big number. It is in terms of grams because 5 grams is the weight of 1. Okay. Then 1 lakh means that into 5. Okay. That's how we are getting 5 lakh as the answer, which we can convert it into the corresponding kilograms by dividing it with 1000. You will get it as 500 kilogram. Since a person can't lift 500 kilogram, the answer is no. Okay. Now we have one more question like this. I hope this is clear for everyone. The next question is, if 250 babies are born in every minute across the world, will a million babies be born on a day? That is the question. Okay. The number of babies born on a minute is what? It is given as 250. Okay. Across the world. If it is so, is it possible that million babies be born on a day? That is the question. So everyone try to answer for that. Tell me if you people got the answer.
I got the answer.
Okay. What about others, Faza and Tania?
I didn't get the answer.
Okay. Yeah, try to do that everyone. I'll wait for 1 more minute. Within that time, everyone try to give the answers. Okay, let's discuss this question. So, Amna, what was the answer that you got?
36,000.
36,000 or 3,60,000? See, I'll explain this question to you. Actually, it is given like 250 babies are born in every minute. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Then number of babies born in every hour will be equal to 60 into 250. You will be getting some number. Correct or not? You will be getting 60 into 250. Okay. This is equal to 15,000 you are getting. Right? Then number of babies. This is the number of babies born in 1 hour. Then the number of babies born in 1 day. That is equal to 24 hours. Is equal to 15,000 into 24 you can do, which is equal to what? Which is equal to what? This is equal to 3,60,000. 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 babies are born across the world in 1 day. So is it greater than or less than 1 million?
Less than.
Less than 1 million. So we can tell that 1 million babies are not born on a day. Clear?
No, it's common mistake. It was, I checked now and then it was lack.
Now have you got that? Okay. What about Dania? Dania, have you got that?
Yes,
Dania.
ma'am, the same answer.
Okay. So yes, hope everyone understood this question. Now we can move on to one another question. Okay. So let me show you one another question. Actually this chapter is very simple. It's about the estimation, rounding off and all. So here comes the very next question for you. Estimate 512 minus 289. You have to estimate the answer. That's it. Do it.
Ma'am, we have to estimate it by 100.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, 100 only. You have to approximate or estimate this given value, round off this given values into the nearest 100 and then you can deduct it between and then you can find the final answer. So everyone try to do that. Okay, good. Okay, everyone got that? Yes, let Amna also finish it. Okay, let her also finish.
Ma'am got the answer.
Okay, so Fazza, tell me what answer you got.
Ma'am, I got 200.
Very good. 200 is the right answer because we can round off 512 into 500 and 289 into 300. So if we are deducting between these two, you will get the answer as 200. That's it. Okay. Hope everyone got the same. Anyone any doubt? Good. Okay, we can move on to the next question. Here comes the very next question for you. Estimate 39 into 21. Okay, do that everyone.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Fazza, good. Let everyone finish it. Let's wait for 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Dania has also finished.
Ma'am got
Let
the
Amna got the answer. Okay, then Dania, tell me what answer you got upon estimation.
Ma'am, I got 800.
Very good, 800 is the answer. Because with which number we can estimate 39?
40.
And what about 21?
20.
Good. Upon multiplying these two, we will get it as 800 and the final answer is 800 only. Hope it is clear for everyone. Very easy concept it is. Next is this particular question. A book costs rupees 198. Estimate the cost of 5 books. Try doing the question. You can round off 198 to nearest 100 and then you can find the total cost. Faza, actually your camera went off. Turn it on. Yeah, who was that? How many of you finished? Everyone finished? Danny, are you doing that?
Yeah, done, ma'am.
Done. Okay then, Amna, tell me the answer for this question.
It is 1000.
1000, very good. Because with which number we can estimate 198?
200.
200, good. Into 5 you need to do, which will give you the answer 1000. So the total cost of 5 books will be equal to 1000 since the cost of 1 book is equal to 198, which can be estimated to 200. Right. Alright. Next is this particular question. Try to do this everyone. A movie is 123 minutes long. Estimates its duration in hours. Do it everyone. Okay, how many of you finished? Fazaz finished, I think. Yeah.
Ma'am, done.
Amna is doing. Let her finish.
Finish.
Okay, fine. So Amna has also got the answer. So yes, Faza, tell me the answer for this question.
2 hours.
2 hours. Very good. Because 123 minutes can be estimated to 120 minutes actually, which is exactly equal to 2 hours. So the answer is 2 hours. That's it. Here comes the next question. Estimate 487 plus 193 minus 302. Everyone try doing the question. Okay, if you are done with that, you can tell.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Dania is done with that. What about Amna and Faza?
Finished.
Finished. Okay, then Dania, tell me what answer you got.
Ma'am, in total I got 400.
Yes, very good. So to which number we can estimate 487?
500.
Okay. To which number we can estimate 193?
200.
Good. To which number we can estimate 302?
300.
Very good. So 500 plus 200, 700 you will get, minus 300 you will get it as 400. That's why the whole answer is 400. Anyone got any other answer? Hope everyone got the same. Yeah. So everyone got it right. Very good. Okay, we can move on to the next question. So here comes the very next question for you. A school bought 198 notebooks at rupees 49 each. Estimate the total cost. So try doing the question, everyone.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Faza, let everyone finish.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, so I think everyone are done with that. So Amna, tell me the answer for this question.
10,000.
10,000 is the answer. Actually, it would come like this. 198 we can approximate to 200. Okay. 49 we can approximate to 50. Then the estimated cost would be 200 into 50, which is equal to 10,000. Right? Good. We can move on to one another question now. Here comes the very next question for you. A factory produces 2498 items per day. Estimate how many items in 19 days. Do it.
Done.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, I think everyone are done with that. So, Faza, tell me what is the answer for this question? Hmm?
40,000.
It's not
40,000.
40,000. It's not 40,000.
Hmm.
Danny, any other answer?
I got
Hmm.
50,000. 50.
50,000 is the right answer. So, Faza, listen here, and Amna, if you got something else, you just listen here. It would be this 2,498 we can round off or estimate to 2,500. 19 we can estimate to 20. So the product of these two will give you 50,000 and that is the estimated total over there.
Ma'am,
Clear?
I rounded off to 1,000. That's why.
Okay. So, okay, you did it like 2,000, right? Here round off to 100. Okay, yeah. So yes, now we can do a couple of extra questions. The questions which I planned for today is already over. So we can do some extra questions. Let me take a fresh slide and we will discuss it over here. Just 1 second. Just 1 minute. Okay, first question is this one. If a person counts one number per second, how many numbers can they count in 1 hour? Can they count in 1 hour? This is the question to you. So yeah, everyone try to do this question. Okay, anyone of you got the answer? Anyone?
Ma'am, is it 3,600?
3600 is the answer. Very good. So listen here how we are getting that. Actually, one person count one number per second. Okay. In 1 second, he is counting one number. So in 1 minute, he is counting 60 into 1, that is equal to 60 number. Then in 1 hour, he is counting 60 into 60, that is equal to 3600 number. Why? Because 60 second equal to 1 hour, sorry 1 minute, 60 minute equal to 1 hour. Is that clear for everyone? Clear or not? Tell me. Yeah. We can have one another question. Let me write the question over here. Yeah. Round off to nearest lakh. Make sure that you are writing the questions also. 98,765. Okay, everyone do the question.
Ma'am, we have to round off
Ma'am,
to nearest lakh, right?
ma'am, you gave till
Yeah.
10,000.
You
Nearest
gave
lakh.
10. You gave the number till 10,000 only.
Yeah.
See, round off to nearest lakh. 98,765, which is the nearest lakh. Use your brain.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah, Anna's got the answer. What about others? Anyone else got the answer?
Yeah, I got one answer. I don't know if it's correct.
Okay, let Amna tell the answer. What is the answer, Amna?
It's 1 lakh.
What about Dania? What answer you got?
1 lakh.
Faza?
2 lakh.
It's 1 lakh. See, 98,765 is nearest to 1 lakh. Because it is not even 1 lakh, greater than 50,000 also. So the probable answer is 1 lakh only.
Oh,
Got it, Faza?
yeah.
Okay. Yes, I'll give you one another question now. If one coin is 1 mm thick, how many coins are needed to make 1 meter stack? This is the question to you. Everyone do that.
Ma'am, if one coin is 1 millimeter or something?
1 millimeter. One coin is 1 millimeter. If it is so, in order to make 1 meter thickness, how many coins are needed?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, everyone done with that? Hamna, have you got the answer? Faza, Dania, everyone got. Okay, so then Faza only tell me the answer for that.
Ma'am, I didn't get the answer.
Hmm?
I didn't get the answer.
You didn't got the answer. And Amna, what answer you got? Amna.
Ma'am, I have some calculation mistakes, so I will fix it.
What about Dania? Dania, what answer you got?
1000.
1000 is the right answer. Let me tell you how. Listen here, everyone. Actually, 1 millimeter is equal to, 1 meter we can write. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay. Then, number of coins required to make 1 meter stack will be equal to 1000 divided by 1, that is equal to 1000. 1000 coins are required to make a thickness of 1 meter. Is that okay now, Faza and Amna? Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me give you another question. A bus carries 49 people. How many people? 1999 buses will carry. Round off the answer.
Ma'am, in the second digit, we should round it off by 1000 or 100.
See, round off to nearest. Here you can do for tens, like 49 you can approximate to 50 and 1999 to 2000. Do it like that.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let everyone finish. Let's wait.
Then
Okay, so I think everyone are done with that. So Fazar, tell me what's the answer for that?
I got 1 million. I mean 1 lakh.
1 lakh is the right answer. What about Amna? Have you got the same, and Dania?
I'm same.
Yeah, we can do it like 50 into 2000 here, which is equal to 1 lakh. That's it. We can move on to the next question. Estimate the sum of 1,49,360 and 2,39,981 to nearest lakh. Try doing the question, everyone.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, can I go drink some water and come?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, Amna, have you finished? Okay, can you tell me what is the answer? Amna?
The answer 3,90,000.
Correct only. So we are doing that. Actually 1,49,360 can be estimated to 1,50,000. Then 2,39,981 can be estimated to 2,40,000. Upon adding these two, you are getting it as 3,90,000. Hope it is clear for everyone. Is that clear? Yes. Now we can move on to another question. A factory produces 88,000 pens per day. How many pens will it produce
Ma'am,
in 25 days? That's the question. Yes, who was that?
ma'am, the question before we did that, the answer is 3 lakh, right?
3,90,000.
90,000.
Do
Okay.
yeah, 3,90,000. Is everyone do this question?
Finished.
Yes, have we finished, Dania?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Yes, so factory produces 88,000 pens per day. How many pens will it produce in 25 days? That is the question. Okay, so Dania, tell me the answer. Dania?
22 lakh.
22 lakh is the right answer. Amna and Faza, have you got the same? Okay.
No, ma'am, I got 21 lakh.
21 lakh is wrong. Actually, you should do it like 88,000 pens has been produced in a day. So you can do like to find the number of pens produced in 25 days. 88 lakh into 25 you can do. which you can do it like even more simpler way. 88,000 into 100 divided by 4 you can do. This and this can be cancelled, you will get 22. 22,000 into 100 will give you 22 lakh.
Okay.
Okay, 22 lakh is the answer. Okay, hope it is clear for everyone. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone? Okay. Let me give you very next question here.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next question is, if each building floor, if each building floor is 4 meter high and the building has 250 floors, what is its height? Try to do it, everyone.
I'm finished.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so yes. Faza, tell me the answer for this. What's the total height then?
About 1,000.
1000 is the right answer. What about Dania and Amna? Have you got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how we are getting that? Actually, it is like each floor is 4 meter high and in total it is just 250 floors. So the total height will be 250 into 4, which is equal to 1000. So 1000 meter will be the total height. That's it. Okay, good. Next question. Next is this question. 25 buses are carrying 1200 students equally. How many students are there in each bus? Are there in each bus? This is the question to you. Everyone try to answer for that.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so Dania, have you finished? Dania, have you got the answer for that? What about Amna? Amna, have you got the answer for that?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, then Dania, tell me the answer for that.
Ma'am, 48.
48 is the right answer. Instead of multiplication, here division is coming. That's it. Okay. So what we can do? In total, 1,200 students are there, and they are like distributed in 25 buses in such a way that each bus carries equal number of students. So the number of students in each bus would be 1,020 and 200 divided by 25. That is equal to 48. Answer is 48. What about Faza? Faza, have you got the same?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Next is this question. If 250 babies are born in every minute, how many babies are born in 1 hour? This is not the previous question. You might be getting confused like, oh, this is the previous question like that. It's not the previous one. So do the question.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, what about others? Everyone finished with this? Okay. Amna, tell me the answer for this question. Amna?
8,40,000.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, what about Faza?
I got 15,000.
15,000 is the right answer. We discussed already it as a part of the previous question, right? See, if 250 babies are born in every minute, okay, how many babies are born in 1 hour? We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, then 250 into 60, that much babies will be born in an hour. This is equal to what? This is equal to 15,000.
Oh,
That's
no,
it.
ma'am. I got that answer, but then I multiplied it with 60 again.
That answer we don't want because it is the total. Here we need just this one only. What is the number of babies born in an hour? Okay, yeah. Hope it is clear for everyone. We can move on to one other question. Dania, you got the same, right? Hello? Dania?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, have you got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, next question is this one. How much money was collected from 1260 students of a school for a charity show if each student contributed rupees 250. Try doing this question, everyone.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, you're on mute.
Oh, I was asking like, did everyone finished? And I was asking Faza to tell the answer. Faza?
Um, ma'am, I got 10. I mean, I got 5. If they're asking like how each student brought, right? How
No.
much money each student.
Total amount of money if each student contributed 250 rupees. That is the question. Dania, what answer you got? Dania,
Yes, ma'am.
what answer you got?
Ma'am, I got 3,50,000.
3,15,000 is the right answer. How? Actually, 1,260 students are there. Each student contributed rupees 250. Then total money collected will be equal to number of students into amount contributed by each student. It would be 1,260 into 250 you will be getting, which is equal to 3,15,000 rupees. Hope it is clear for everyone. Is it okay for everyone? Yeah. That's it. Okay, I'll give you another question. Round up or down round up or down the number. Three crore 87,69,957 into, you have three sub questions here. One is into nearest 1000. Next one is lakh, and finally crore. Try doing the question, everyone.
Ma'am, I got the answers.
Okay, Faza. What about Amna? Have you finished? I can't hear your voice actually.
Ma'am, I got the answers.
Okay, so first question I am asking to Faza. What if we are rounding off to nearest 1000? What is the answer?
3 crore 87 lakh 70,000.
Okay. What about the
Correct.
second question, Amna? Yeah. Amna, what about the second question?
Ma'am, I
If we
didn't
are
do
rounding off to nearest lakh?
Ma'am, I didn't do the lakh one. I did the crore and thousand.
I am asking about the second question. Lakh.
Yes, ma'am, I didn't do that. I didn't do that one. I did the first
Okay.
slide.
So tell me the next answer, Faza. 3 lakh? 88 lakh it will be. 3 crore 88 lakh it will be. What about the final answer, Faza?
It will be 4 crore.
4 crore. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, we can move on to another question. Hmm. The exact value of twelve lakh 45,789 minus 3,56,234 is exact value you need, no round off, nothing.
Ma'am, can you read the second number?
3,56,234.
14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
I've got the answer.
Yeah, both of you finished?
And I also got, yeah.
Okay, what is the exact value, Faza?
I got 8,88,565.
8,89,000 it is. 8,89,555. What about Amna?
Okay.
Same. Okay, then we can move on to another question. Okay, first question I'll write. A school is planning trip for students the total cost of trip is 3,75,678 and school has collected only rupees 1,89,543. First question, I am not writing the question. Estimate the remaining amount to cover the trip cost by rounding each amount to nearest 10,000s. I am going to do the question, both of you. Actually, 3,75,678 is needed for the trip. School collected only 1,89,543. We need to estimate the remaining amount needed by rounding off to nearest 10,000s.
Ma'am, we have to round off to how much?
10,000s, nearest 10,000s.
Okay.
Okay, tell me what's the answer for this question. Anyone of you got that?
Makes it 1,90,000.
Yes, it is. What about you, Amna? Have you got the same? Yes, right. Because if we are finding the difference between these two and rounding off, you will get it as 1,90,000. Right? Okay. We can move on to another question now. Let me look for some other questions because wait a minute. Okay, estimate 5,678 minus 1,090. Try doing the question. You should find the actual difference also. Actual difference, estimated difference, both we need.
Now we have to round off to 1,000. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Let Amna also finish the question.
Ma'am, we have to find both, like estimated answer and then.
Yeah, estimated and the actual answer, both you need. Okay. Okay, both of you finish it, then we can discuss.
The answer.
Everyone got the answer, Amna?
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
got the answer.
Okay, Faza, tell me what is the estimated result, estimated difference.
For 5,678, it will be 6,000. And
Okay.
for 1090 it will be 1000.
Okay. So what is the estimated result here?
It is 5000.
5,000. Good. What is the actual difference here? Tell me, Amna. What is the actual difference?
4588.
4,588 is the right answer. 5,678 minus 1,090, it will be 4,588 only. That is the right answer. Good. So yes. Now everyone do one thing. Just go through the portions that we have discussed till now in today's session and ask if you are having any doubt. Anyone, any doubt? Just go through the portions once again that we have discussed and ask if you are having any doubt.
No doubt.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt, sir. Okay, if it is so, let's just wind up the session over here. So study and come for the next session. We'll be having day 3 and then you'll be having a written exam. So study the whole concepts and come for the next class. Okay. Okay then, bye. See you in the next class and good night. Bye bye.
Yeah, ma'am,
Okay.
good.